Aunties. I'm back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Auntie Ren, your local internet auntie, here again with another video. If this is your first time, welcome to the crazy. That is me. And if you are returning, you must be crazy as well, so welcome back. So hi guys, how are you? I hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone is adjusting well to the fall and the cooler weather and staying safe and healthy. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment. You know, I like to get all that stuff out of the way, right? So, you know, do all those things that you do for the lot that you like. So, you know, don't forget to do all of those things that you love, that we love for you to do, so we know that you like this content, okay? All right, so wanted to explore some new things on my channel, and one of the things that I wanted to touch on was skincare. So I am a huge advocate for non-toxic cosmetics, green beauty, you know, anything that you know, uses like really good ingredients, you know, again, and I mentioned it briefly before, and perhaps I'll make a video about it one day, but you know, I am a cancer survivor. I did have Hodgkin's lymphoma twice. Well, I had it and I was in remission, and then I relapsed. You know, since going through that journey and, you know, being on the other side of it now, you know, I have really made a conscious effort to really pay attention to the products, or try to pay attention to the products that I am putting on my skin, on my body, the products that my family uses, and so on. So one of the brands in my wellness journey that I discovered was Lindstrom. I am obsessed, and in no way is this sponsored. You guys already know I am not, you know, we're not there yet, so no one is sponsoring this video. No one is you know, paying us to say anything. This truly is a brand that has been absolutely amazing. Not only is the owner just, I mean, just a doll, like you just want to you just want to love her up. So not only is she a doll, but also just pays like so much attention to the products. You know, she really, this is like artisanal skincare. Like she really just puts so much love and affection into her products, and these are products that she uses. She gives tutorials on how she uses them. She talks about them. Anyway, long story short, I've been using Lindstrom skincare probably since 2014, 2015, and no, about 2015, 2016, about then, because I had my stem cell transplant in 2015, and that's when I moved over to all non-toxic skincare. So anyway, she had a product called the Honey Mud that I was obsessed with, and unfortunately there was some issues. I never really quite understood what happened and why they stopped, but they stopped producing Honey Mud, which was like so sad, because it was one of those things that there was no forewarning. It was literally, you go on the website one day and you try to order it and it wasn't available. It was always sold out. You go on another website or another one and you can't get this, like, this is not something you can get at Target or something like that. You can get it from her website, which of course I'll link in the description box, or you can get it at some more specialty shops, or shops that sell you know, more specialty skincare. So you know, just could not get it. It was like sold out everywhere. It was at the point where people were like selling it on eBay and Amazon for a ridiculous price, and it's already, you know, quite expensive. So then she put out a statement and she was like, you know, guys, you know, I'm not going to stand behind something that's not 100%. And if my product is having a problem, I'm going to pull it back. We're going to revive it, and we're going to, you know, relaunch it. So waited like, I want to say it was like a good 16 months, maybe, I want to say 18 months, 16 months, not quite 2 years maybe. I could be wrong. If I find out the accurate timing, I'll put it on the screen. But basically she just released Honey Mud again, and I'm obsessed. I was on the wait list for it. I pre-ordered it and it just came in. I'm showing you the other side of the box because this side has my address label on it, but I wanted to open this up with you guys and share it with you. I know this is something new to my channel. I normally talk about, you know, luxury accessories and fashion and so on, but skincare and makeup obviously it's important to me, and I want to make sure that, you know, the knowledge that I was able to, you know, get over the years that I can share with you guys and have you guys maybe, you know, expose you to some more, you know, non-toxic, natural brands that maybe you hadn't heard of. If you're a person of color, perhaps I can introduce you to some, you know, brands that you've never used before, or if you have used it, you can put us on and, you know, and give your 2 cents about it, or you know, what have you. So this is, you know, definitely one of those spaces that I want to encourage that, and I want to talk about it and celebrate, you know, that non-toxic beauty. So anyway, so I'm going to open it up live here with you guys. I'm so excited. It just came in today. And I wanted to open this with you guys because Lindstrom does such a good job packaging. I mean, it's the packaging for me. You know, she just gives you the entire experience. And this is something that even some of our luxury accessory houses, the fashion houses, you know, the handbag houses and so on, they can take note from this. Yes, Louis Vuitton, I'm talking to you. You know, these brands are showing that they care, not only in giving you a quality product, which that's what you're paying for, but just these little extra touches mean so much. So this is what her box looks like, you know, just opening it up right now. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning. The dandelion is her logo, and it says this moment is yours. Oh God, I mean, if you go to the website, guys, even if this is not something that you're into, I'm going to link her website below. Go to the website and just check it out. You're just going to be like, I mean, it's like a visual spa. Like, it's just amazing. So this beautiful card. Oh my God, this beautiful card. And then there's another card there, and it says, but it says my real name on the card, which is, it's handwritten, which I think is so, oh my God, that's so beautiful. Oh my God, I wasn't expecting this. Okay. You are glorious, whole, perfect, and held. Wishing you extraordinary moments of delight in your care ahead. Love, May. That's really beautiful. So a handwritten note from the owner of a company. I mean, don't you just love it? I don't care if her assistant wrote this. I don't care if her child wrote this. These personal touches are just, when you are buying quality and you are spending your coin on, you know, quality skincare, quality items, luxury items, these are the little touches that mean so much and just make everything just so extravagant. Guys, OMG. I don't want it to fall, but just look at that. This is the kind of presentation that they're giving up. Oh my God. I knew it was going to be lovely. I just didn't remember how lovely it can be, but I wanted to, you know, share it with you guys and open up this item on my channel, so you could just get a hint. If you have not been exposed to May Lindstrom, oh my gosh, I highly recommend that you try her out. So here is the Honey Mud. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm so glad. I have to look at my old box and then look at this one to see what the differences are as far as the ingredients go, like what types of changes she was able to make. But basically, I'll read a little bit of the description in the back for you guys so you get an idea, because you're probably like, Ren, what's Honey Mud? So it says May Lindstrom Skin. The Honey Mud is a gentle enzyme facial cleanse and mask. An exquisitely distinctive union of raw honey, white halosite clay, and aromatic plant oils married to envelope you in an intoxicating and highly addictive cleansing ritual. This silken pudding-like treat frees you of the daily pollutants, infusing skin with enzymes, natural acid, and nourishment while restoring optimal hydration and individual rhythm. Yes, please. I'll take one to go. Fantastic. It is so glorious. You can use this as a cleanser. You can use this as a mask. It's great for hyperpigmentation. It's great for dry skin. It's great for oily skin. I mean, oh God, it's just glorious. All right, so we're gonna, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this jar. Oh, lovely. Look at that, guys. Oh, look at that. It's glass, it's beautiful, it's lovely. I mean, just, oh, I will do some close-up shots so you can see it, because I don't want to spill it, but I'll open it up so you can see it. This is a 3.384 ounce fluid ounce. I did not see an invoice, so let me see, maybe it's off to the side. No, I don't see an invoice. So I will list down below how much I paid for the honey mud. I want to say it was about 80 something US dollars. And then this little envelope here, these are, if I'm not mistaken, every time you order from May directly, you get samples, deluxe samples. Yep. So they come in this beautiful little envelope, and I chose this time Blue Cocoon. Oh my gosh, Blue Cocoon is life. I slather it all over myself. If my children have, let's say, a mosquito bite, if they have, you know, if they get sunburned, if they have any type of cut or bruise or what have you that seems like it's going to scar, I put a little bit of Blue Cocoon on it and it takes care of it. My husband was cooking and he burned himself, and I put this Blue Cocoon on it religiously, and he barely has a mark. I mean, it's so good. Oh my gosh. And it smells so good. It has blue tansy in it. Oh guys, this is a gem right here. So I'm glad to have a little sample, so I don't have to travel with my big jar. I can just travel. I use these as my travel size whenever I get to traveling again. So that's that. And then I also got a sample of the Jasmine Garden. Now, I had never tried this before. This is like their face mist. This is their like tonic, if you will, or like a toner type of situation, but it's not like alcohol based or anything like that. This is amazing. I've wanted to try this, so I got this as my sample. It's called the Jasmine Garden. Again, I will link this stuff below, but I just wanted to share, you know, this amazing brand with you guys, nieces, nephews. If you are, you know, doing this luxury thing and you're not taking care of your skin and your, you know, your health at the most optimal that you possibly can, you know, then it's all kind of for nothing. So you really want to pay attention to, you know, the different brands and different products that you're putting, you know, on your body, because it's so important. Your life is just, you know, it can't be replaced. You know, we can replace those handbags, but we can't replace you. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And you know, it's just a whole bunch of this kind of stuffing, and I do believe that this stuffing is biodegradable. I think she mentions it on her site that all of this can be kind of broken down. But I don't see the invoice, so I'm sorry, I can't tell you. I don't know if it's in the bottom. No, I don't see it. So I can't tell you the price off the top of my head, but I will list it down in the comments below. Comment down below and let me know if you're using Lindstrom, if you've heard of this brand before. I feel like it is definitely very niche. I feel like it is definitely something that is maybe a bit bougie, maybe, but the quality from the packaging to the product is amazing. And as I mentioned, I will do some cutaways where I will have me, you know, showing the product a little bit. And perhaps if this is something that you are into, we can talk a little bit more about skincare. I can give you guys my skincare routine. I can talk a little bit about the makeup that I use. I do use non-toxic beauty products, most of them. I'm still on the hunt for some, so maybe, you know, you guys can help me with that, but we'll see. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for coming by and stopping and, you know, for a chat to talk a little bit about luxury skincare. And I look forward to hearing from you again, my nieces, my nephews, my fellow beautiful aunties. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Talk to you soon.